In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a blurry photo unblurry.
Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video.
First, you want to make sure live photos are on. By tapping here, you will turn live photos on. Or if you have already got them on, this here will be yellow. If you want to know if you have got live photos on, this here will tell you that it's a live photo by saying live. If you have got a photo that is unclear or blurry and you want to make it clear, tap edit, then tap here. Use this slider here to choose a frame that you want by moving it left or right. Once you have chosen the frame that you want, tap make key photo. If that doesn't appear, tap here again and tap make key photo. Once you're finished in here, tap done to save it. Then your new frame of photo is done.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.